Mo? Filming it?
No.
Alright. Are you done? Are you done?
No nibbling until the company gets here. And no nibbling the company.
Hey, Robbie.
Happy Brando, welcome.
Thanks for having us over, even though things between Jesse and me are a little tense.
Mrs. Gibbon made me pinky swear to your birthday date. And by that, I mean if I did not, she swore she would
Take
my
it over
birthday.
here. Come on.
Actually, I'm glad Jesse's not here, because I wanted to ask you a favor.
Of course, who of my own? I mean, one of my many, many friends.
And friends help each other, right?
I read that.
Do you think you can help me make sure Jesse doesn't make that audition?
You want me to knock off my nanny?
Oh, I just wanted you to tell her the audition's been pushed back a few hours. But remind me never to cross you.
But I love Jessie. I can't sabotage her.
Robbie, if I get this part, my career will take off.
And what about Jessie's career?
Just
You done yet?
you, me,
You got a full belly?
Kipling, Brando, slithering
Yeah.
down the green scaly carpet together at LizardCon.
Very well. I shall do it.
Yeah,
I
if you're
cannot
done,
wait
get
to
back
see
in
the
the
power
cave.
of the crowd. Last time I had people cheer for me was when I was the basketball team.
There you go. You're done.
Well trained bird.
Huh?
Well trained.
You'll be there